Have you ever wondered what exactly happens when you run the Gradle build task? You're not alone. Many developers find themselves scratching their heads over this. Today, we're diving deep into the Gradle build task to uncover its secrets. I totally get it. Searching through documentation and forums can be overwhelming, especially when you're looking for specific details. It's frustrating when you can't find the information you need, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. So, let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "What does the Gradle build task include exactly?" They mentioned that they couldn't find detailed information in the Gradle documentation or on Stack Overflow. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. Understanding the Gradle build task is crucial for any developer. This task is responsible for assembling and testing your project, but what does that really mean? Let's break it down and see what dependencies and tasks are bundled within it. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip that will help you optimize your Gradle builds for better performance. To understand what the Gradle build task includes, the user should first recognize that it is part of the Java-based plugin. This plugin provides the foundational tasks necessary for building Java projects. Next, the user can run the command Gradle help --task build to get detailed information about the build task. This command will show the task's dependencies and its role in the build process. The user should also note that the build task typically includes several other tasks, such as compile and test. These tasks are executed in a specific order to ensure the project is built correctly. Additionally, the user can explore the build.gradle file to see how tasks are configured and what dependencies are explicitly defined. This file is crucial for understanding the build process. Finally, the user can refer to the Gradle documentation for more in-depth information about task dependencies and the build lifecycle. This resource can provide further insights into how the build task operates. Fun fact: did you know that Gradle was designed to be highly customizable? This means you can tailor your build process to fit your project's unique needs. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your builds. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In summary, this user explains that the Gradle build task compiles, tests, and assembles your code into a jar file. You can execute it simply by running Gradle build. After a successful build, you'll see a message indicating build successful. To check the results of your build, look in the build folder. You'll find 3 important directories: classes for compiled.class files, reports for build reports, and libs for assembled project libraries like jar files. For a dry run of the build process, you can use the command gradle build-dry run. This will show you which tasks would be executed without actually running them. Here's a pro tip. Always check the task dependencies in your build.gradle file. This will give you a clearer picture of what happens during the build process and help you troubleshoot issues more effectively. And there you have it. Now you know what the Gradle build task includes and how to track its dependencies. Remember, understanding your build process is key to successful development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips.